What's going on? Welcome back. Today we are here with a 1968 390 4-speed car that I've just picked up. It is a factory black on red interior car. It does have a little bit of rust in the bottom of both fenders. However, the under supports and all of your floor pans and everything like that is solid under the car. It does have an automatic in it right now due to the previous owner not wanting the 4-speed. However, I do have the correct 4-speed to go back in it. As you can see, the quarters are pretty solid, but it has had a little bit of a bump on this passenger side. It's already been pulled, but it does need a little bit of body work, unless you're wanting to keep the original driver quality paint. Here, we'll get into the trunk area. You can see what all's in here. I can get this screwdriver positioned right. Fairly solid trunk, as well as all the usual areas that rust around your weather stripping. Does have a little bit right there, but that's not much. Trunk pans are solid, but I do have a lot of stuff in there at the moment, as well as a new gas tank. This quarter does have a little bit in the bottom, in front and behind the wheel, but it does still look nice. And as I said, a little bit in the front fender as well. If we go to the inside, you can see it is a true S-code 390 with the G-code 325 gear traction lock rear end. Red interior, but it is pretty weathered and stacked full of parts. Get to the front end, you can see the 390 right there. GT. You can see your chrome valve covers. 390 on your intake. Fairly solid car, still intact, not really been tampered with too much, but this is it. We do, however, have a 1970 Torino Cobra over there under the carport, and it can be seen in Carlisle, all Ford Nationals this June. It is a factory J-code 429 CJ 4-speed or automatic car, but it was built on a 4-speed body, so it is what's considered an error car. That car is extremely solid, from the Midwest, Kansas. Spent a lot of time out there as well as in Colorado. It can be looked at for probably around the $25,000 to $30,000 range, depending on what all we take with the car. But that one can be seen then. Hopefully we'll see you guys there. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.